Making your English as sharp as a tack. Mastering similes with as. Hello there, language explorers. We're back today with another exciting video to help you enrich your English vocabulary and expressions. Our focus today is all about similes. Specifically, we're going to dive into the world of similes that use the word as. By the end of this video, you'll be using similes as easily as breathing, and making your English language expression as colorful as a rainbow. Before we delve into the structure of similes using as, let's quickly remind ourselves what similes are. Similes are figures of speech that compare one thing with another different thing to make a description more vivid or impactful. They often use the words as or like in making these comparisons. For example, she ran like the wind, or he is as brave as a lion. When as is used in similes, it typically bookends the comparison, appearing both at the beginning and the end of the comparison phrase. The structure often goes as plus adjective, adverb plus as plus noun. For example, in the simile, as quick as a flash, as is the bookend word, quick is the adjective, and flash is the noun. This format allows for endless possibilities when creating similes, as long as the comparison makes sense and is relatable to the listener or reader. Now let's look at some more examples of similes using as. Remember, the goal here is to be creative and descriptive, to make your sentences as dynamic as a blockbuster movie. 1. As strong as an ox. This implies someone is very strong, physically. 2. As easy as pie, meaning something is very easy or simple. 3. As busy as a bee, signifying that someone is very busy, engaged, or active. 4. As cool as a cucumber, used to describe someone who remains calm and composed under pressure or in a difficult situation. 5. As light as a feather, used to emphasize something is extremely light in weight. Each of these similes paints a vivid picture, making our English expressions more engaging and colorful. To truly master the use of as in similes, practice is key. Try using similes in your everyday conversations or writing. Start with common similes, and as you become comfortable, create your own. Remember, the idea is to be as creative as a painter with his brush. Well, that wraps up our dive into using as in similes. I hope you now feel as confident as a lion to use these figures of speech in your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, and don't be afraid to be creative with your similes. Tune in next time for more English language learning tips, and until then, keep exploring and making your English as sharp as a tack.